Okay. I tried to make you fancy waffles and they didn't bind. But you can still eat it. Is that okay? Is that okay? It wasn't my fault. I didn't have a recipe. I just made it up. They kind of went to mush. But you can still eat it. It's made of coconut flour. You don't mind then? You don't mind eating mush? Is that going to be okay? Yeah? Will that be okay? You gonna eat the waffles? Can you sit for me? No, don't take the bowl. Can you sit? Geek. I still need that. There's nothing in it at the moment. There's nothing in there. Key, can I have it, please? Can you give me the bowl? You just threw it on the floor. Give me the bowl. Come on then. Can I have it, please? Thank you. Thank you. Right, can you sit? Key. No, don't take it again, please. I need it. Thank you. Can you sit? Good boy. It was a disaster. I hope you like it. Does not look like a waffle. But that was what I was working with. It didn't bind. I don't know if you're going to like it. You can take it. Key, take it. Oh, you seem to like it. Does it taste like waffle? At least you don't mind what it looks like. They good? Did you want some more by any chance? It's not even a proper waffle, Key. Are you sure you want more? Key. Key. You want some more waffle mash? You do. It was actually good. Don't. I know the bowl is there. I don't need you to take it. Can you sit? But you need to sit first. Hey, Key. What are you...